Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to Dear Teacher channel. I love to hear dear sir, dear teacher from the students or sir, teacher, because I want to support always the students. Good morning. Welcome to Dear Teacher channel. So, we are doing arithmetic progression. Today will be the last class. Whatever the problems are there, I can do today. Only those problems I am going to do. So most of the schools are having mid-year examinations. Most of the schools, right? As before the summer vacation, most of the schools wanted to complete mid-year examinations. So after this class, tomorrow I will give a complete revision of all the first 5-6 chapters. Complete revision in one go. What to study, what to leave, what is important, what are the different concepts, which topic is difficult, which topic is easy. So these things I am going to give tomorrow. It will be very much useful to the students. So now I will start my lesson. I will start my lesson. So arithmetic progression, mainly we should know what is arithmetic progression and what is common difference, second term minus first term, and what is nth term, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, and what is Sn, sum of n terms, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So only these 4 formulas are there in this. So using these 4 formulas, you can easily do this chapter. Definitely one question will come from this chapter. Minimum one question. Okay, definitely 100%. And you all should get full marks to this question. Your preparation also वैसा ही रहना है. आज ये चैप्टर हो गया, ये चैप्टर में से जो भी दिया आई शुड बी एबल टू डू, वैसा आपको माइंड सेट रहना है. आपका एक बार माइंड सेट वैसा बन गया, देन चैप्टर बाय चैप्टर आप इजीली निकाल के आपको 100% आने के लिए चांसेस है. So now I have done up to yesterday up to 10th question I have done. So now I am going to do now 11th problem. 11th problem also a little bit important only, and it is easy. Where is my pen? Yeah, it's easy and it is important, right? So what is given in this? The sum of first n terms, Sn is given. Sn is equal to sum of first n terms 4n minus n square. So this is the given, and what else? The first term S1 is like some questions were given. So it's very easy. Sn like an only. If you are putting n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you will be getting first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term in an. In an, if you are keeping replacing n with some values, 1 first term, 10 10th term, 20 20th term, you can అది కూడా వేసుకోవచ్చు కావస్తే. So where if you are keeping n, replacing n in Sn, 1 sum of one term, that is only one term. 2 sum of two terms, that means first term plus second term. 3 Sum of three terms, first term plus second term and third term, sum. So if you are putting replacing n with 100, so sum of 100 terms, first term plus second term plus third term, etc., etc., up to 100th term. So that is the difference everybody should understand. Now if I replace n is equal to So if I put n is equal to 1 here, sum of one term we will be getting. That means only first term. So 4 into 1 minus 1 whole square, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. This is nothing but first term. Always S1 is equal to first term. Okay, S1 is equal to first term because sum of one term, that is only first term. S1 is always first term. So now if you are keeping n is equal to 1 in this, you are getting first term. Now if I keep n is equal to 2, sum of two terms we will be getting. S2 is equal to 4 into 2 minus 2 square. Okay, so 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Okay. Any wrong? Yeah. So sum of two terms is equal to 4. Suppose that means S2 minus S1, if you are removing S2 minus S1, what you are going to get? Second term you are going to get. If you want, you can say A1 plus A2 minus A1. A1 get cancelled, A2 will be getting. Okay. Suppose if you are getting S3 minus S2, what you are going to get? S3 means A1 plus A2 plus A3 minus A1 minus A2. So A1, A2 will get cancelled, you are getting a A3. So if you are subtracting S2 from S3, you are getting A3. If you are getting S4 minus S3, you are getting A4. If you are subtracting S100 minus S99, you are getting A100. 100th term. So this is a simple logic you can always use whenever it is needed. Okay. So now S2 is 4. So now what we have to find out? We have to find out second term, similarly third term, 10th term, etc. So now what I will do? I want first term A is a sum of A1 plus A2 is equal to 4. Okay. And A1 already 3, so 3 plus A2 is equal to 4 and A2 is equal to 1. Second term is 1. Now if I put where I should write n is equal to, I will write here only, n is equal to 3. So then S3 is equal to how much? 4 into 3 minus 3 square. So 12 minus 9, 3. So that means A1 plus A2 plus A3 is equal to 3. A1 value is 3, you can do in this way also. A2 is 1 and A3, 3. So A3 is equal to 3 minus 4 minus 1. Then the progression is AP is how you will be getting AP? 3, comma 1, comma minus 1 and so on. First term, second term and third term and goes on. This is AP. So once you get AP, you can do anything. So what he asked? Find third term, 10th term and nth term. So all these things you can easily do by using this AP. Once you get first term, common difference, you can do anything. Can you tell me what is common difference in this? 1 minus 3, second term minus first term. 1 minus 3 is how much? Minus 2. 1 minus 3 is a minus 2. So minus 2 is the common difference. So we have first term is equal to 3 and common difference is equal to minus 2. So you are getting the progression. So this is only one question is given like this. So very important. Please do it again in your classworks or tuition book or YouTube book. If you are having a classwork. If you are following YouTube book. So you should have a book. मैथ्स में एक बुरा चीज़ क्या होता है, जब तक हम सुनेंगे समझ में आ जाता है. when as long as you learn and see, you feel like you understood everything. एक बार आपका सामने से हट गया है, वीडियो सभी हट गया एंड एक आधा घंटे के बाद सब भूल जाते हैं. सो दिस इज़ ए क्वाइट कॉमन ह्यूमन टेंडेंसी. सो इसके लिए आप क्या करना है, जब भी आप मैथ्स सुनते हो देखते हो, यूट्यूब के साथ तो होता था. सो आप जब भी यूट्यूब का लेसन्स देखते हो, वीडियो लेसन्स देखते हो, so you should sit in front of the computer or whatever and write all the things, and then it will be there in your memory for longer time. Okay, so then let us go to next question, 12th question. 12th question, find the sum of first positive integers divisible by 6. Same type of problem we have got in nth term, this one also. So now we will use the same. Okay, so sum of first positive integers divisible by 6. So first we use the AP is 6 divisible by 6. 6 is divisible by 6. So 6, 12, 18 and so on. How many terms are there? 40 terms are there. This is the AP, because positive integers divisible by 6. If you are starting first number with 6, because 6 is divisible by 6. 6 is the first number divisible by 6. Next 12, next 8, that means 6 table. So 40 terms. So now we have A is equal to 6 and D is equal to 6 again, N is equal to 40. We have got all the things, everything we have got. Okay. Okay. So then what you have to find out? Sum of first 40. We have to find out S40. S40 is equal to question mark. So S40 is equal to, I am writing directly without writing the formula, N by 2, 2A, N minus 1 into D. So 20, 12, this is 3, 18. So 20 into 30 is equal to 600. Okay. So once you know first term common difference over, right? So this is a 12th question. This question is more important than 11th question. Okay, 99.9% chance is there to get this question in the board examination. So in this they will change. Abhi divisible by 6 na? Sometimes it may be giving a divisible by 7. Sometimes divisible by 8, divisible by 9, whatever. So procedure is same. Next 13th question. 13th question, find the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. So here in this question multiples are given. 15 multiples of 8. 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32 and so on, 15 terms. So now A is equal to 8. Okay. and b is equal to 16 minus 8, 24, how much? 8. N is equal to 15. Now you have to find out Sn. Sn formula direct you will be getting, okay, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into b. So this is what 30th question gives us. I am not doing it, I want you to do by yourself. So then 14th question. 14th question क्या होता है? Find the odd numbers, sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. Odd numbers between 0 and 50. So the first odd number is 1, 3, 5 and so on. Last odd number is 49. So here a is equal to 1 and d is equal to 3 minus 1, 2 and n is equal to how much? Last term. An is equal to 49. It is not n is equal to 49. Nth term is 49. So an is equal to 49. So now we have got a, d, an. From an you will be getting n. So what he asked? Sum. So sum, after finding n, you find out n here, and then you have to find out Sn. Suppose if you are getting n is equal to 10, you have to find out S10. If you are getting n is equal to 20, you have to find out S20. Okay, you have to find out n, and then you have to complete the question. Now from 15th onwards, these are the word problems. Okay, arithmetic progressions, how it is applied in the word problems, right? So these word problems I am not going to teach you. I am going to give you a video. All these problems I am going to make a video and I will upload in my channel. So wait for my word problems in AP, and with this question I am concluding arithmetic progression. Tomorrow I will have a complete revision. अभी तक जो भी हो गया है रियल नंबर से लेकर अभी तक जो भी हुआ एक बार फास्ट रिविजन ले लूँगा. सो सी यू इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो. बाय बाय.